Morning, Isaac.
Hello.
Isaac, she said hi.
Good morning.
Hi, Mrs. Ackerman.
Hi, Mrs. Ackerman.
How are you, love? Hi, Addison, Lyndon.
Hi.
Naja. Like a star rest. How is everybody this morning?
Just how you are, Isaac.
Good.
Good. Elijah, you were on fire yesterday. You were answering every question.
You want to answer questions today, Emma?
Thank you. I love when you guys raise your hand. It's exciting. Is that Lyndon's little sister? Good morning, cute little angel. Hi, Lily. Hi, Emma.
You okay, babe?
Hi.
Addison, your mom posted the cutest picture, video of you yesterday or today. I don't know. It was so cute. Was that her? Was she?
Her playing with the hide and seek.
Oh, she's
She
so
was 3. It was so cute.
Oh, can't get enough.
Hey.
You're not.
Hi, Finn. Good morning. Okay, should we take? Should we do flag salute?
Yes.
Looks like it's going to be a beautiful day today. Anybody going to the beach?
We are. No.
I'm making a mess over here. Okay, hold on. I just spilled my coffee everywhere. Okay. Right hand over your heart. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Okay, cuties. First thing we're going to do is matter. Do you guys want to start with math or matter? If you want to start with math, raise your hand.
Sorry, come here.
2 people want math. Finn, you want math?
Maya.
Okay, we'll start with math. Let's do it. Does everybody have this paper now? I sent it. I guess I didn't send it initially. I'm so sorry.
Say yes.
That one. And I think we only got down to 88 plus 1. And even if you don't have it, it doesn't matter because I'm going to just put it on the board and you don't need to. We'll do it together. It might help to have your abacus and your own change. I'm going to do it with my change, but if you want your own change, you can get it out. Because we're only going to do our matter sort today, so easy language art. All right, so we did 43 plus 1. What I wanted you guys to see is 10s and 1s, okay? So if you have 4, no worky, if you have the number 43, what you really have is, I'll wait till you're all paying attention. Good morning, Josiah. And Addison, do you have photos of the chrysalises? Hi, Elia Grace.
We're gonna bring it actually.
I'm gonna go grab it.
Okay. When you're ready, let me know. right now I'm just gonna go over 43. Okay, guys, look at Mrs. Ackerman. What 43 is 4 tens. So let's count by our tens. 4 times. 10, 20, 30, 40. So really it's 40 plus 3, okay? That's really what 43 is, okay? This is really tens place. This is 4 tens, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 tens, and 3 little ones, right? So all we're doing when you add one more is you're adding it to the ones place. You're adding it right here. You don't even have to change the tens place, okay? So then it becomes 44. So let's see on our, so watch. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 3 more, there's 43. To add one more, it's just 1, 44. Okay, so let's do that, or actually now let's do, we're on 35 plus 1. And I'm gonna give you guys the opportunity to tell me what coins I could use to make 31 plus 1, or 35 plus 1. First, let's do the math. You guys ready? Where's the eraser? Okay. So we are on 35 plus 1. 3 tens, 5 ones, plus 1 1, okay? 35 plus 1. What is 35 really? Tell me what it is. Give me expanded form, Elijah.
She called on you.
What's an expanded form?
Expanded form, when I say 35, so it's really 30 plus
5.
yes. Okay, so this is really what 35 is. Plus 1 more. Okay? So what we want to do is just say, ready? 30, 35, 36. Okay? So it's 36 cents. If you look on your abacus, we have 10, 20, 30, right? 35, and 1 more makes 36, right? What is it? What's our yellow as the sun that makes 6? Yellow as the sun, 6 is 5 and 1, yes? So 36. Now, what could we use? What coins could we use to make 30 cents? What coins? Look at this. You've got 10, 20, 30. So you could use what? Could you make, how many dimes are there? Or how many, yes, Finn? Tell me.
3.
You could use 3 dimes. Good. Little dimes. Okay, so you could do 3 dimes, 10, 10, 20, and then 30. But you also could do, to make 30, oops, I need some tape. You could also use a quarter, couldn't you? How much is a quarter? How much is a quarter, everybody? 1 quarter. How much is 1 quarter?
25.
25 cents. So if you had 1 quarter, now let's count by our 5s. 25 Watch Miss Ackerman. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. How many more would I need to make 30 cents? What's this? What is
5.
that?
5.
You'd need a nickel. So one nickel and 1/4 equals 30 cents. A quarter and a nickel equal 30 cents. So you could do dimes, or you could do a quarter and a nickel, okay? Plus 5 more cents, so we'd need another nickel down here, or up here. Oops, I just ruined one of my nickels. Okay, so count with me. 10, 20, 30, 35, 36. What do I need to make 36 cents? What coin? Yes, Finn?
A penny?
Yep. There's your 36 cents. 10, 20, 30, 35, 36. Or 25, 30, 35, 36. Who can see a clear swap for these two? What's a clear swap for this one right here? Who can see it? Good, Addison. What is that? What is two 5s? What coin? What coin is 10? What coin? Yeah?
Dime.
Yeah. So instead of using 2 nickels, we could just use a dime. 25, 35, 36. Isn't that cool? So on that one, 35 plus 1 is 36. We already did the top ones. 80 died.
Oh.
We'd get 44. We're only going to do these 4, okay? Since we're doing 2 concepts, we're doing money and we're doing adding, okay? So now we're on 66 plus 1. Who can tell me in expanded form, that means breaking up the place value, what is 66 really? What does that mean? If you break it up into expanded form. 66. Do you hear what I'm saying? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 6. 6 ones. Watch Miss Ackerman. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, right? 6 10s and 6 1s, right? Do you see that? Okay, so if I write that out in expanded form, watch Mrs. Ackerman, eyes up here. That is 66 plus 1. This is really 60 plus 6. Does everybody see that? 6 10s and 6 1s. Anybody? 6 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 6 1s. Okay? So if we have 6 1s, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and then 66. If we add 1 more, what do we have now? What do we have now, cuties? What's more, 1 more than 66?
67.
67. Good job, Elia Grace. So 66 plus 1 is 67. Now, we're going to use our quarters now because we want to get as much as we can with as less coins as possible. So everybody, 25, 50. How many quarters could we use? When I do my quarter dance, 25, 50. How many is that?
50.
50 is how many quarters?
2.
Only 2 quarters. So we need 2 quarters. Now we have 50 cents. Okay, there's our 50. So we need, this is 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many more 10s do we need? We still have another 10. How many 10s? Josiah, how many 10s? We already have 50 cents. That's 5 10s. How many 10s do we need? Addison?
110.
110. Now we have 60 cents, right? 50, 60. And now we have 6 cents left. So let's circle the 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What's 5 cents? What coin is that? Isaac, what coin is 5 cents? It's a big chunky silver one. What's that called?
This one right here.
Nickel.
A nickel. Kiss your brain. Okay, now we just got rid of all of the 5, and we only have how much left? What's the one? What do we have left?
1.
1 cent, so we need a penny. So let's count our change. Ready? Say with me. Everybody, I want to hear you. 25, 50. 10 more. 60, 65, 66. Oh, we added 1. So what do we need now to make 67?
7.
We need what more? What do we need?
What do you
68.
what do you need? A penny? We could 68.
1 more penny, right? This is a 5 and a 2, right? 5 and a 2 makes 7. So now we have 67 cents. So the next one is 67. We only have 3 more problems to go. 67.
No, it's gonna be blueberry. Пожалуйста.
Is everybody understanding what we're doing? Okay, I have a question. Question for you all. I just did 67 cents. Do you guys see that? If I put 3 more over, I have 70. So is 67 closer to 60 or 67? What is it nearest to? Is it nearest to 60 or 70? Let's count up. 67, 68, 69, or 68, 69, 70. How many more do you need? Only how many ones? Yes, Elijah?
3.
You only need 3 ones. To get 60, you'd have to take away 7. So what is it closer to? Nearest 10, 60 or 70?
70.
It's closer to 70. Good job, kiss your brain. Okay, the next problem is 29 plus 1. 29 plus 1. Who can tell me what 29 really is? Let's count, watch. 10, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Okay, so really, if you look at this, how many 10s is it? How many 10s, Gracie? You can show me with your fingers. How many 10s? Look at that. Okay, do you see one less? So it's, how many 10s do you guys see? Show me with your fingers. Okay, it's not 3 10s because look, this one only has 9. Do you see that? How many 10s are up here? 2. So it's 2 10s, which is 20, plus, right? Plus 9 1s, 29. So if we have 29 and we add just one more, what do we have now? Lily, what do we have now?
30.
30, good job. So plus 1 equals 30. All we did was add 1 to the 9, right? And that turns into a 10. So now we have 30 cents. How do we make 30 cents, Lyndon? How do we make 30 cents? It's 3 10s, right? 3 10s and 0 1s. What makes 3 10s? What 3 coins? How many dimes? What coin? What coin is 10? Say it out loud.
A dime.
How many dimes? 10, 20, 30. How many dimes?
3.
3 dimes. So it can be 3 dimes, 10, 20, 30, or somebody tell me, if I have 25 cents, how much more do I need to make 30? Count by your 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. How many more nickels? 1 nickel, good. So if you have 1 quarter, 25, and 1 nickel, you have 30 cents. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, okay? So the answer to 29 plus 1 is 30. 2 10 9 1s plus 1 more 1 is 30. Only 2 more math problems, and then we'll do our matter sort. Okay, now we have 54. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 4. 54. What is that really? What is 54 really? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 4. So how do I really write that in expanded form? What is 54 really? Yes, Elia Grace.
54.
Yep, but put it in expanded form. 54. So what does the 5 mean? What does the 5 mean in this number?
5 tenths.
5 tenths. What's 5 tenths?
What is that?
50.
10, 20, 30, 40,
50.
50. Good. So it's really 50
Посмотри на нее.
plus
В этом ты ничего не
4.
понимаешь.
That's what 54 is.
54 is 50.
But we're also adding another 1. Okay?
Теперь смотри.
Okay. So if we have 54 and we add one more, we just added, right? Now what do we have? Count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 50. What is it?
55.
55. Good. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 54, 55. 55. So 54 plus 1 is 55. Now, we could do dimes, couldn't we? Everybody count how many dimes we would have. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. How many dimes? Good, Addison. 5 dimes, right? But we want to make it as small as possible. So, what 2 coins make 50 cents? What 2 coins? Josiah, what 2 coins make 50 cents? Anybody? It's the dance. Lily, what is it?
50. Quarter.
How many?
50.
How many quarters do you need?
2.
2 quarters. 25, 50. Okay, now we have 50 cents. Whew, what do we need left? We have 5 cents left. What else do we need? Ben, what do we need? Lyndon, do you see what we need? 50, 55. What do we need? Only one more
Nickel.
coin. A nickel. Now we have 55 cents. 25, 50, 55. Catch your brains. Good job. Okay, we only have one more problem. Are you ready? Okay, now we have 79 plus 1. 79 is really what? Count with me. It's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Oh my gosh, it's almost 100, right? Only 30 more and it's 100. 79, so 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. So how many 10s do you see? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. How many is that? Anybody know? How many 10s? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 10s. What is 7 10s? If you count by your 10s, how much is 7 10s?
7. 10.
What is it, Emma?
Say it louder.
7.
70.
7.
70. So it's 70. It's 7 10s and 0 1s. Plus we have, right? It's 70. Oops. Plus 7 1s, right? Here's the 7 1s. Or I'm sorry, the 9 1s. That's what we needed. 9 1s. Okay? Now we're adding one more. Okay? So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. What if I add the 1 to over here? Now what do I have? It's 5 and 5. Is it another 10? Look at, if I add that 1 more, now what do I have? Isaac, what is it?
Is that?
20.
If I add the 9 and 1 together, I have a whole nother 10. So now
How many is this right here?
how much do I have? Look at you guys look at my abacus.
80.
If I move that 1 over, now I have
80.
81.
No. 9 and 1 make 10. So now I have the 10. I add it over here. Now what do I have? How many 10s?
How many tens does she have?
Look at
If you have 80, how many tens is that? 1, 2.
8.
yeah. And 8 tens is
8.
what? What is 8 tens?
8 tens is, how many is this all together?
8 times is 80.
80. Okay, smarty pie. Listen, if you have 80 cents, how many dimes would that be? Let's count the dimes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It would be 8 dimes. But let's use quarters. If you have 2 quarters, say it with me, 25, 50. What do you have? 2 quarters is how much? Who can raise their hand?
50.
Huh?
Sharing in space and she can see it.
50.
50. What if I add another quarter? 3 quarters. Do the dance and tell me, what is 3 quarters? What is it, Finn?
55.
Nope. Say it with me. Everybody stand. 25, 50, 75. So 3 quarters is 75 cents. If I have 75 cents, who can see clearly how much is over here to make 80? What is this? It's one hand. What is that? Elijah, what is it? This is 75. If I add 5 more, what do I have now?
5, 4. No.
Here's my 75. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75. How many more do I need?
80.
So I need what? What do I need to make 80? Now that I have 3 quarters and I need now what? What?
5 more.
1 nickel. Okay, count with me. 25, 50, 75. Count by your 5. 75, 80. So 3 quarters and 1 nickel equal 80 cents. All right. Did you guys get it all down on your paper? We're only doing this side. And now we're going to do our matter poem. Ready? Matter. Solids like to keep their shape. You go. I want to hear you. Solids like to keep their shape.
Solids like to keep their shape.
Thank you, Finn.
Solids
Liquids flow just like a lake.
liquids flow like a lake.
Gases float right through the air.
Gases float right through the air.
Matter everywhere.
Matter everywhere.
Okay, who wants to read the first sentence for me? Who wants to read the first sentence? Elijah, go ahead, sugar.
Solids like to keep their shape.
Good job. Okay, second sentence. Finn, go.
Gases float.
Oh, you're right here, babe. Second sentence.
Uh,
Liquids.
Liquid float just like a lake.
Awesome. Okay. Gracie, read gases.
Gases flow right through the air.
Ooh, and there's that ow, oh, ooh, uff, ah, ow. I can't even remember it yet. Okay. Now who wants to read the fun part? Let's all read it. Ready? Matter.
Everywhere.
Everywhere. So
Everywhere.
matter is everywhere. All right, so we're gonna do our sort. We have, you guys see my board?
Ackerman,
Yeah.
the chrysalises are ready.
Oh, come show us. Show us. You guys all want, so what you're gonna do, pin Addison. Do you know how to do that? Pin Addison so you can see her chrysalises. So you go up to her picture and then you press the dots and it says pin video.
Kind of.
They're so cool.
We have, we think, 5 good ones. 2 of them, maybe not so much.
Oh, isn't that fun? What's gonna happen, guys? What's gonna come out?
Oh yeah, butterfly.
The butterfly's gonna finally come out. It said its last stage.
Sorry.
Addison, that's so cool. It's kind of a mess, huh? Does it have gooky, gross stuff in it? Uh-huh. A lot of liquids, perhaps. Ugh. Okay. Thanks for sharing that.
You're welcome.
Alrighty. Everybody. We have our cards. We're gonna go
I like it like
solids, liquids, gases. Can you see my board? If you pin me, you'll be able to see my back. Yeah? Okay. Why don't we, somebody can grab a card, pick any card. And as we go, you guys be putting it in order, okay? So somebody grab any card, raise your hand and show me what it is. Do you not have them? Okay, liquid, good. No, pick a picture. One of the sorting cards. Okay, Lily, what is that? I can't see it. Get closer. A song. Okay. A song is interesting. A song is not matter. You can't see it, you can't feel it, you can't taste it, right? So a song is actually not matter, okay?
Not matter.
Not matter.
Another
Okay, so somebody pick another picture. Thank you, Elijah. Soda. Okay, we're gonna grab our soda. Soda. Go, 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 go. Does it take the shape of whatever container it's in? Can you see it? Yes. So is it a solid, liquid, or gas? Elijah, what is it?
Liquid.
Liquid. So we're going to put it right in the middle. It is a liquid. Good job. So under liquid, you're going to have soda first. Okay, liquids flow just like a lake. Could you imagine swimming in a soda lake? Who has seen, come on, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory? Don't they swim in chocolate? Okay, Addison, what do you have? I can't see the picture. Water, okay. Water glass. Solid, liquid, or gas? Who can raise your hand and tell me? Solid, liquid, or gas, Eli Casares? Is water solid, liquid, or gas? Who knows?
Raise your hand.
And my nose.
Liquid.
A liquid. Okay, good.
Say louder. You need this call.
Okay, stay muted and raise your hand, please. Okay, because you can hear like rustling of paper and stuff. It's okay. Somebody else. Eli, we're gonna take we're gonna take turns. Eli Casares, what do you have? Fire. Okay. Solid, liquid, or gas? What do you think fire is? Eli, do you know? What is it, Eli Casares?
Gas.
It's a gas. Good. Our first gas. There you go. Good job. Okay. Who's got another picture that has not gone? We're going to take turns. Ooh, I see a Wind, I see wind. Who's got wind? Emma, do you have wind? Wind, okay. What do you think wind is? A solid, liquid, or a gas, Emma?
Yeah, what is it? Solid, or liquid, or gas? Wind. No, tell me exactly. It's not solid.
Good. Oh, I love it. I love you guys showing me. Does it float right through the... Hold
Can
on.
you see it? Can you touch it, Emma?
Emma's the only one I should hear.
Emma, can you touch it?
Does it float right through the air?
Yeah.
Get it in here.
Okay. So if... Show it to me.
What is this? Liquid? Show it to
So
me.
if wind floats right through the air, what matter is it?
Everywhere.
What matters if the wind goes everywhere? Is it liquid or gas?
It floats right through the air. So what is it?
Gas.
It's a gas, Emma. Kiss your brain, girl. Yes. You knew the definition, and that's why. Good job. Wind is a gas. It floats right through the air. Okay, somebody who is not gone. Whose turn is it? Oh, Lily's got love. Can you, I know you can feel love in your heart, but is it something you can see, taste, feel, or touch? So love, just like a song, is a feeling, so it is not matter. Okay, so it's like an out of sort, so we'll put that aside. Okay, who's got another one? Somebody who is not gone. Lily, do you have one that actually is matter? Show me what you have. Ooh, helium. Okay, you know how some balloons float? Okay, they not only have air, they have something called helium in there. Okay, what is helium? Does it float right through the air? If you pop that balloon, what's gonna happen to that, what's inside of it? Are you gonna be able to see it, or is it gonna just go into the air? So what is it? Show me your card. I love it, Finn. What is it? Good, Addison. Good, Elijah. It's a gas. So helium that we fill balloons up so that they float, helium that's inside of the balloon. Now the balloon is a solid, right? Because it's a container. What makes it change its shape is what's inside of it. But helium is a gas. Good job. Okay, who's got something else? Addison, what do you have, love bug? Okay, wind, we already have that. It's a gas. What is that, Finn?
Rain.
Good job, Elijah. It's what?
Rain.
Rain is what? Solid, liquid, or gas? Good job, Elijah. It's a liquid, good, right? It can flow just like a lake. In fact, it does flow into lakes, right? All right, who's got another one? Ooh, okay. Elijah, what do you have, babe?
Coffee. Liquid. No, gas. Steam
Okay.
gas.
Well, because it doesn't say coffee, what does the word say? E-A-A. What's the word say?
Steam.
It says steam. So steam is when the heat changes the water vapor so you can see it in the air. So water vapor is a gas. So steam is a gas. Okay, next one. Who's got one? Lyndon, what do you got? What do you got? What do you got? Give me one. Anyone? Air. Does it float right through the air? So what is it? Is it a solid, liquid, or gas, sweetheart? Good job, Finn. Who knows what it is? Good, Addison. Air floats right through the air, so it's a
Yes.
good. Yes, it's a gas. Good job. Fire, wind, helium, steam, and air, all gases. Okay. Isaac, show me a picture. What do you got?
This one here.
Oh, what is that?
Ocean.
The ocean. Does it flow just like a lake? What is it, solid, liquid, or gas?
Liquid.
Good job. Yes, it is. Okay, who's got another one? I sure hope I hope I sent you guys solids. Did I?
No, I don't have any solids, Miss Ackerman.
Oh my gosh, I must have not sent them. That's okay, I have them. Okay, so what is that, Elijah, that you have there?
Ocean.
Potion,
It's a kind of gas.
Potion, okay, a potion is,
Like a liquid or a gas.
it's a liquid. Gas can come off of it, but chemists, scientists make potions, like to make medicine and things like that. It is a liquid. A potion is a liquid. Okay, we've got one more gas and one more liquid. Who knows what they are? Ooh, Addison, a dream. Our dreams, do dreams have a shape? Do dreams flow like lakes? Do dreams float right through the air? No, so they are not matter either. So you can put them with your love and your songs, okay? A bed is a solid though, right? Memories are not a solid. They're just a thought. An idea is just a thought. It is not. Time. Are you going to the beach? Oh, who are you going with? Oh, fun. Okay, hi. Hi to my daughter. Yeah, this is my daughter, Olivia. Can you guys say hello to Olivia? Hi. Isn't she cute? Come on, baby. Thanks, baby. Okay, what about cocoa? Does it flow just like a lake? If you spill it, will it take any shape that it's in? Addison, if you put cocoa inside of a square glass, will it take the shape of that glass? Yes, so it is everybody?
Liquid.
Yes. Now, we're gonna be learning about the water cycle next week, right? And we're gonna learn about this for sure. Water vapor. That's when like when it rains outside, all of a sudden you go outside and the sun's come out, where are the puddles? Where did they go? Evaporation. They turn into water vapor. The water gets sucked up into the air and becomes water vapor. So it floats right through the air and it is a gas. Okay, now I have the solids. I can't believe I didn't send you the solids. I'll send them today, but here they are. I think it's because my paper was double-sided. I apologize. Moo. Is the cow a solid? Does it have a certain shape? Can you pour him in a glass? No. Can he float right through the air? That'd be cool, but he can't. Okay, so he's a solid. An animal, it actually says. Animals are solids. People are solids. Books. Can they float right through the air? No. Do they like to keep their shape? Yes, so they are a solid. Okay. Blocks. Don't you miss blocks at school? I do. Blocks. Solid, liquid, or gas? Elia Grace?
Solid.
Oh, want to say hi to Mia? Solid. Oh, be quiet. This is Mia.
Hi, guys.
This is another daughter of mine. Fake one. Okay, what about a cupcake? Yummy, yummy, yummy. Solid, liquid, or gas?
Solid.
Who raise your hands?
Solid.
It's a solid. I'll send you these pictures so you can add them to your sort. What about a leaf? Does it change shape? Does it like to keep its shape? Can it float right through the air? Well, not all leaves. Maybe a dry leaf, right? It would take quite a gust. Yes, Grace? Solid, liquid, or gas?
I'm driving, so I don't have my cards.
Oh, well, guess what? You're gonna have this video so you can do it when you get home. What about clothing? What about your clothes? Solid, liquid, or gas?
Solid.
It's a solid. It likes to keep its shape. I will send these cards right now. Kiss your brains. You're gonna need this tomorrow. Okay? And then you're gonna need one paper like this. Okie dokie. Kiss your brains. Love you. Have a great day.
Bye. Bye.